Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Friday night and we're going to grill a couple more steaks, 4 to be exact. I put a little question up on ARFCOM. How should I grill these? I grill your way. I got several temperatures. I think I'm going to pull these at 117, 118 degrees. Let them get on up there. That's a little cooler than I usually grill them, but hey, I grill your way, so here we go. I believe this time I'm going to be grilling 3 of these. Put some of the Cosmos SPG rub. A little shout out to them. I'll put the link below in case Cosmo ever sees this video. Love this stuff. We'll use some of it on 3 of them. We're going to grill them, do the normal. One of them we're going to use cast iron. We're going to do the bake for a little while and then sear it in oil. We'll see how that goes. We'll have them fixed 2 different ways, so I'm going to try to do both in one video. Y'all stick around just a minute. We're going to get some seasoning on these things and let them rest. They are at room temperature. The baked taters are already over there doing their thing. We're not going to get into them today. So we're having baked taters and New York strip. And I am not going to go ahead. A lot of times I'll trim these. Trim some of the fat off the edge because I just really don't like that. But we're going to leave it just like it lays. And go from there. Alright, here we go. We're going to season these right here with some of Cosmos SPG. If you haven't tried it, like I said earlier, check the link below and we'll give him a shot. This stuff's awesome. Alright, we're going to go with that. We've got a generous amount of Cosmos rub on both sides. We're going to leave them right there and let them set for a while we get this other one that we're going to sear prepped. And we got to get the pan ready. This thing's got to be baked for a while before it's actually put in the pan and seared. We'll do that close to last. So let's go ahead and set these over aside and work on the taters a while, which I'll do off camera. There's no use in showing that. So we'll get right back with it in just a second and see what they come out like. Okay, we got the steak prepped that we're going to sear. We got the baking pan ready. We got the pan we're going to sear it in, just waiting. We got the olive oil. We got the garlic. We got to get the other seasoning out here and chop it up. We're going to go ahead outside and get the grill fired up for the 3 steaks that we're going to be doing on the grill. Let's go get that going. Alright, we got the Weber. Remember the grilling grates from last time? Those things are awesome. We cleaned them a little bit here, made sure that all the black gunk's off the top of them and all that down in there. They say just to leave that there. After this grilling, I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I just don't like to leave my stuff dirty like that. But to use them on this grill, these cast iron grates, because of this centerpiece, I had to turn the cast iron grates to the grill over because they would sit there and rock back and forth. The only thing negative that I can find so far is that when you're trying to turn them, they slide easy. I ain't decided how I'm going to get past that or just deal with it. Love the grates. May just leave it like it is. So we got the Weber in the garage right now. It's not hardly time to light it up. We're just going to leave it sitting right there. At the time comes to light it, we'll push it outside because we don't grill in the garage. Let's go check on the steaks. Alright, we've got this steak that we're going to be searing. We got it in the oven baking right now. We're going to go 11 minutes with it. And we are going to pull that one here in a minute. After 11 minutes, it's 5:45 right now, and we're going to put it in the pan. We're going to sear it. Both sides, get it up to the 118 degree temperature. Let it set aside and rest. Meanwhile, it's time to head to the grill. Alright, we've got the grill lit. We've got the steaks out here ready to be grilled. We got the others in the house baking. They got about 7 minutes left to go, which will give me time to get these on. And we'll leave these alone for a little while. We'll turn them one way for about 3. We'll turn them the other way. Then when we flip them, we'll leave them 3 minutes, and at that point, we'll start watching the internal temperature. Like I said, we're pulling these things like they chose at 118. I had some 117s up to 120s. We're going to go with, had some 115s, but we're going to go with 118 because I had several of those also on the 2 different forums. We'll pull it at that, let them rest, and cut them open and see what we come up with. I want to go ahead and note that's a little rare, more rare. That ain't cooked as much as I usually eat them, but we're going to try it anyway just because I said I'll grill this your way. May not be exactly like you all do it, but I'm going to pull it at the temperature you recommended for once and give it a shot. All right. It's time to get these on there. Let's go ahead and get these placed on here and ready. We'll leave these right here. Like I said, we're going to leave them like that about 3 minutes. Then we'll come back and turn them the other way before we turn them over. So they'll get about 6 minutes this side, and we're not sure on the other side yet. Let's get that lid closed. We'll go back here and check on the one we got searing. All right, we've had this one baking for 11 to 12 minutes. We got the grease and stuff ready. We're going to go ahead and throw this thing in here and sear it. We'll leave it that way a few minutes, then we'll switch it over. All right, it's been about 3 minutes. We're going to go ahead and give these things a twist, not a turnover, just a twist. We're going to go about 3 minutes on that side. Then when we turn them over, we're going to shoot for that 118 before we pull these things. So let's let them grill just a little while. All right, I had to go ahead and flip these things while we was off camera. We are setting on 94-degree internal on that one. 111 on that one. And 111 on that one. So we're going to shut this door and let these go for just a few minutes. Alright, here's the steak that we're searing. We have reached the 118-degree temperature. We're just going to put some more of that across through there. And let it stay here and do its thing. I'll go ahead and pull it off the plate, out of the skillet, so it can rest without getting too dang hot. Let me put the camera down and we're going to get that done. All right, everybody, as promised, we pulled at 118. Get the light turned on. We pulled at 118, and it went up to 126. I don't know. Might be a little overdone for what you all are asking for. But I did pull them as close as I could to 118. Wow, that one went to 131. Hold on a minute, that can't be right. That's more like it. Okay, they went. I pulled at 118 and they went up to 124 on that one, looks like. So let's see what this one's doing. Okay. Well, they got a little warmer than what I thought after they rested for a few minutes, but we're going to go with these. We're going to leave them there. They're safe. Let's get a knife and cut this one open right here and see what it looks like inside. All right, these were the grilled, pulled at 118, rose up to about 122 to 124. I got it as close as I could, guys. This one was the baked for 11 to 12 minutes. Then seared in a skillet each side up to 118, as close as I could get it. I am trying to grill inside or grill outside and cook inside, so I got them pretty close, within a couple of degrees. They rose a little higher than I thought they would, but let's see what this one here, see what this bite right here tastes like. It's great. Got a little hotter, got a little more done than what some of you all asked for, but this is my first I Grill Your Way. We'll try something a little different maybe next time, a little different seasoning, whatever. But now I got a mess to clean up. I got cast iron involved, and I've got stuff everywhere. But right now, we're going to get some taters out of the oven. Eat some steak and taters. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave comments. This was my first try at it, but this one here, these were all pulled at 118 as promised. They heated up a little more than I thought. This was baked and seared up to 118. A little different texture, no grill marks on this one. A little more solid color all over. This one has got the awesome grill marks, and I guess if you're going for a pretty steak, why, you know, there you are, but whatever. Remember, I use the Cosmos. I'll put a link down below. Again, if you like this video, want to see more, check out my channel. Search YouTube for Low 96 HB. We do grilling. We do antique truck restoration, antique lawn tractor. Just all kind of stuff. Reviews on some stuff. We done the gun review the other day on my last video. So, as always, have a good day. God bless. We'll see you on the next one. I'm going to eat.